Good morning students. Today we are going to read lesson number 1, Jack and the Beanstalk from your English literature book. Now let's start reading. Jack and his mother live in an old cottage. They are poor and have no money for food. Now look at this picture. As you can see, this is Jack, his mother and a cow. That is Jack's house, an old cottage. Old cottage means a small house, an old small house. Jack sell our cow and bring home the money. We will buy some food. Mom, it is the month of December and it is very cold outside, but I will go, Mom. Jack and his mother was very poor and they didn't have any money to buy food. And one day Jack's mother told Jack to sell the cow to get some money to buy food. Jack told his mother that it is very cold outside as it was the month of December, winter season, but he agreed to go to sell the cow. Jack unties his cow from the tree outside his house. He pulls the cow and walks fast. He meets an old man on the way. Jack unties his cow. Unties means खोलना. जहाँ पर उसकी काऊ बंधी हुई थी घर के बाहर पेड़ से, Jack unties the cow and started walking to sell the cow. And on the way, he met an old man. Hello, son. Let me buy that cow from you. I will give you a magic bean for her. A magic bean. Here it is, sir. The cow is yours. When on the way he met the old man, as you can see in the picture, the old man wanted to buy Jack's cow and he offered him magic bean in exchange of the cow. And Jack agreed to sell his cow in exchange of magic bean. Jack's mother is making some cauliflower soup. Mom, I got a magic bean for the cow. Oh, Jack, how foolish. I thought we could buy a lot of bread, meat, vegetables and fruits. Now we will not have anything to eat for many days. Go to bed, you silly boy. When Jack entered home, he happily told his mom about the deal that he sold the cow in exchange of magic bean. But his mother got angry and scolded Jack that why did he sell the cow for the bean, as they needed money to buy food. She didn't give Jack food that night and told him to sleep. Mother threw the bean out. It falls near the rose bush. The next day there is a huge beanstalk outside their home. Mom, look at this. I am going to climb this magic beanstalk. Bye bye. Don't do that. You naughty boy. Come here at once. And when the mother threw the magic bean out of the window, she was very angry. That's why she threw all the magic beans out of the window. And the bean turned into a huge beanstalk, as the seeds were magic. That's why the beans turned into a long and huge beanstalk, as you can see in the picture. Huge means very big. And when Jack saw the beanstalk, he felt very happy and astonished, as the beanstalk was so tall that it was going in the sky. Jack wanted to climb, the beanstalk. His mother scolded him not to climb the beanstalk, but he climbed up. Jack climbs the beanstalk and reaches the sky. He sees a castle there. He enters the castle quietly. He sees a scary giant. He quickly hides and sees what the giant is doing. The giant sits at his table counting his gold coins. A hen and a harp are next to him. Here is my gold, my hen and my harp. 60, 61, 100, 200, 1,000. Good. Now hen, lay a golden egg for me. You harp, play me a tune. I want to sleep. And when the Jack reached the sky, there he saw a castle and he entered the castle. Do you know the meaning of castle? Castle means a large building which have high walls and towers, just like a king's palace. And when he entered the castle quietly, he saw a scary giant. Giant means a large and strong person. He tried to see what was the giant doing. The giant was counting the gold coins. As you can see in this picture, there are so many gold coins. A hen and a harp. Harp means a musical instrument. And he had a magical hen which lays golden eggs. The giant was very happy to count his gold and told his harp to play a tune so that he can sleep. I must run away with the gold coins, the hen and the harp before the giant wakes up. Now Jack thought to steal the gold coins, hen and the harp to become rich. As he was running with gold coins, hen and the harp, the giant woke up and he saw that Jack was running with his things. Hey, what is that noise? A little boy taking my money, my hen and my harp. I will. Wow, a bag of gold coins, a hen that lays golden eggs and a harp that plays music. The giant starts chasing Jack. Jack runs and reaches the beanstalk. He starts climbing down on his house. Jack asks his mother to quickly bring him an axe. He chops the beanstalk. The beanstalk and the giant come crashing down. The giant dies. Jack ran quickly and climbing down his beanstalk. As he reached down, he chopped the beanstalk with axe. The beanstalk and the giant fall down. The giant died. As you can see in the picture, there is an axe in Jack's hand and he chopped the beanstalk. Chopped means to cut. He cut the beanstalk and the giant fall down and the giant died. Look, Mom, we are rich. Oh, Jack, I am so happy. Now the Jack had a magical hen which lays golden eggs daily. That is why Jack and his mother became rich and they lived their lives happily. Children, did you like the story? Now read the lesson carefully and learn the difficult words from it. Thank you.